Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect TikTok ads to TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that with TikTok Shop you can grow your business tremendously. And likewise with TikTok Shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok Shop is about, we'll hop into today's step, which is how to connect TikTok ads to TikTok Shop. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include Orders, Products, Marketing, Affiliate, Live and Video, Growth Center, Analytics, Account Health, and Finance. So head over to Marketing, and you have this extended menu to say Shop Ads, Promotions, Shop Page, and Campaigns. So go ahead and click on Campaigns. Now, you should have we should have clicked on shop ads, right? So, but shop ads is not enabled because my shop has not been verified. But if you click on shop ads and it takes you to shop ads page, you can see an option that says create campaign or create ad. So you can click that to create your own campaign or your ad. But now we want to link or want to connect TikTok ads to TikTok shop. So head over to campaigns, and once you head over to campaigns, you're going to find the campaign list. So you can learn about campaign types and how to register for a campaign. So you have this one, May Deals campaign. On TikTok, you have the Shop Tab campaign. You have the Today's Deals Shop Tab. So as you can see, unashamedly, I'm ineligible to apply for these campaigns or to connect any of these campaigns because my shop has not been verified. But if it has, let's say I'm interested in this May Deals campaign, and I go ahead and click on View Details. Loading right up. So here we go. So May deals. So you see the campaign dates. So this is on registration ends here. So this is the product campaign. So click on it's on TikTok shop. So it says my shop is not eligible. So the shop is not active and only designated shop can register for this campaign with the qualification criteria. So you can click on that. So here is it. Here is your invite to participate in our TikTok shop UK May's deals campaign. So simply register your product for the campaign to be eligible. Now read on for more information. So once you do that, these are the benefits to your business. It increases your visibility and TikTok shop vouchers. You're going to get that. And these are the details. This is how to participate in the campaign and frequently asked questions. So once you've done that, you can now connect or link this campaign or this TikTok campaign into or this TikTok ad. You can now link it into your TikTok shop, and once people head over to your shop, they can participate in this campaign. So that's pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.